The Bio International Convention continued today in San Francisco with a keynote address on the hot topic of the presidential election, additional educational sessions, fireside chats, and of course, more one-on-one partnering. The topic of precision medicine has been widely discussed this week at Bio, and today we heard about the exciting advancements happening in the realms of healthcare and biotechnology.
Precision medicine is a customization of healthcare for that individual based on all the measurements we can get. But it's not just about that person, it's not just you. Precision medicine means to take all those measurements and all our experience with the entire public and apply it to that person. So it's not just personalized, it's learning from everyone and applying it to that one patient.
We were able to pull astronaut Michael Barrett out of orbit just long enough to discuss the research currently happening on the International Space Station.
Gravity itself affects so many biological processes that you don't even think about until you take gravity away, which we've done on the International Space Station. And so everything from how the human body reacts to the bone, the muscle, cardiovascular changes, to the biochemical mechanisms that change with weightlessness, it provides a very novel condition under which you can study all of these systems.
The Patient Advocacy Pavilion provides a unique opportunity for those looking to advance their research and drug development agendas to connect with venture philanthropy and patient advocacy organizations.
You know, having a patient out front with, say, mitochondrial disease in a session here at Bio, we're talking about, hundreds of thousands of patients. Some cases, some of these rare diseases, there's only 2 people, maybe 1 person, they still matter. I think that for us is huge.
The 2016 Bio Future Makers were recognized by their colleagues as driving change and innovation in the biotech industry. We spoke to 2 of this year's honorees about their work in the field of genomics.
Really, right now, healthcare is reactive. When you're sick, you go to your doctor. So in fact, that's not healthcare at all. That's disease care. What I'm interested in is your family history is captured in your DNA. So let's give our physicians and our care teams a blueprint and use that information then as a way to go forward.
Disease resistance is a really important trait because we lose about 20% of all animal protein to disease each year. If we could take care of that problem, we've just increased efficiency by 20%, which is good for the environment, good for the animals, and good for the planet, I say.
Bio once again outdid themselves in the party department, taking over all of City Hall as well as the Civic Center Plaza for the Summer of Love extravaganza.
Make love, not war.
What's your Summer of Love slogan?
Right on, brother.
I honestly thought it was the real Santana when I came up, and and then they call up Janis Joplin and say, no, it can't be here.
This is the birthplace of biotechnology in South San Francisco, from UCSF to UC Berkeley. So having Bio back in our home turf, it's a pleasure.
Thanks for joining us today at Bio 2016 and in downtown San Francisco for the Summer of Love. For all of our coverage of the convention, please visit convention.bio.org and join the conversation on social media at #Bio2016.